Hi everyone, welcome back to the Generative AI series. In this module, we are going to introduce Retrieval-Augmented Generation or RAG in short. If you ever wonder how AI model can answer questions based on documents, PDFs or your own custom data, you are in the right place. This series will walk you through exactly how that magic happens. So, the first question is what is RAG and why should you care? Let's start with a simple question. How does ChatGPT knows stuff? Most large language models are trained on huge amount of text, but that training has limited. What if you want to answer question based on your company handbook, product manuals, or set of recent reports? You cannot ask ChatGPT directly that question because ChatGPT don't know that. That's where RAG comes in. RAG enhances a language model by retrieving relevant information from an external source like a database or a document and feed it into the model in real time. It's like giving your AI the ability to look things up before answering. In this module, we will be touching on core concept of RAG. We will be introducing embeddings, vector database, semantic search, and some hands-on project. So let me introduce them in short, and we will discuss in detail in our upcoming videos. The first one is embeddings. We explore how raw text get turned into numbers that AI can understand, how embeddings are generated. You will learn what going on under the hood when model turns your text into vector representation. Next, we will look into vector database, where and how these embeddings are stored so they can be searched quickly. Next, semantic search. This is how we find the right information based on meaning, not just keywords. And lastly, some hands-on project passing a statement or a document to embedding and then storing those embeddings in vector database and then performing some semantic search on the vector database. In the next video, we will dive into embeddings, what they are, why they matter, and how they turn your world into vector. Get ready to step into the world where language meets math and mechanisms start to understand what we are saying.